In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into cPanel or Web Host Manager in Hostinger. To get started, head over to Hostinger and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login page so you can access your hosting dashboard directly. Once you've entered your account details and logged in successfully, you'll be taken into Hostinger's main control area. This is the starting point for managing any websites connected to your hosting plan. From there, look to the left-hand toolbar and click on Websites. This section shows the websites associated with your Hostinger account and gives you a quick way to jump into the management area for a specific site. If you have more than one website in your account, take a moment here to identify the one you want to work on before moving forward. That helps avoid opening the wrong dashboard by mistake. Next, find the website you want to manage and click Dashboard. This opens the site-specific control area where you can access the key tools and settings for that particular website. If you're following along for the first time, this is the part that matters most because it's where Hostinger gives you access to the features you'd normally expect from a hosting control panel. Once you're inside, this is the H panel, which is Hostinger's own custom version of a hosting control panel. It's important to understand that Hostinger does not use traditional cPanel in the way many other hosting companies do. Instead, they use hPanel, which is designed to be cleaner, easier to navigate, and more beginner-friendly, while still giving you the tools you need to manage your hosting. From this dashboard, you can manage your website, run speed tests, and review performance details. You can also manage your domain settings and DNS, which is useful if you need to connect services or make changes behind the scenes. If you want to create domain-based email accounts, that can also be done here. You'll also find access to your databases, file manager, and backups, which are essential tools for maintaining and troubleshooting your website. On top of that, you can check your hosting resource usage, like disk space, CPU, and memory, so you know how your site is performing. Security tools such as SSL and protection features are available here too, along with performance options like CDN and caching. So even though the title mentions cPanel or Web Host Manager, in Hostinger you'll actually be using hPanel for these tasks. Everything you need to run your site is available in one place, and you can manage it all without needing any coding experience. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.